Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Microsoft Store error, that is 0x80070003. So if you are receiving this error message while downloading or while installing any application or games from Microsoft Store, then please follow the steps shown in this video. Now the first step is to sign out and sign in again on Microsoft Store. So open Microsoft Store. Then on the top right you will be able to see a profile picture. So click on your profile, then select your account, then click on sign out. Then again click on the profile icon on the top right, then click on sign in. Select your account, click on continue, and then enter the password or PIN. And after you log in, try to install application or games, whatever you want, and then check. Now still you are facing the problem, then go ahead and run Windows Store troubleshooter. To run Windows Store troubleshooter, go to the start menu, then click on settings, go to update and security, then click on troubleshoot, click on additional troubleshooter, and then find Windows Store. So here you can see Windows Store apps, click on it, then click on run the troubleshooter, and once the troubleshoot is done, restart your computer and then try to use Store. Now still you are facing the problem, then clear the store cache using ws reset command. So just go ahead and type in ws reset in Windows search. So it's WSRESET, and then make a right click on ws run command, and then click on run as administrator, then click on yes to allow. And here you will see the black screen. So do not close this black screen. Wait for this black screen to go away. So it may take a couple of seconds or maybe a minute. Once this black screen is gone, the Microsoft Store will open up. So let's wait. Okay, so here you can see the black screen is gone and Microsoft Store is open now, and then you can go ahead and use Store. Now still you are facing the problem, then update Windows 10. To update Windows 10, go to the start menu, then click on settings, and then go to update and security, and then click on check for update. And once the update is installed, restart your computer and then try to use Store. Now still you are facing the problem, then update apps. To update app, open Microsoft Store. On the top right you will see three dots, click on it, then click on download and updates, and then click on get update. Once this is done, go ahead and use Store. If that does not resolve the problem, reset Store app. To reset Store app, go to the start menu, then click on settings, then click on apps, and then find Store. So scroll down and find Microsoft Store in the list. So here you can see Microsoft Store, then click on advanced option, scroll down, and here you can see the reset option. So click on reset, and here you see this notification which tells you this will permanently delete the app's data on this device, including your preferences and sign-in details. So you might have to sign in once again, then click on reset. And once the reset is done, open Microsoft Store and then try to use it. Now still you are facing the problem, then go ahead and run this command. So these commands are provided in the video description. So copy this command. First of all, open PowerShell. So just type in PowerShell in Windows search, then make a right click on Windows PowerShell, then click on run as administrator, then click on yes to allow, and copy the first command and paste it over here, and then hit the enter key on the keyboard. And once this is done, restart your computer and then try to use Store. Now still you are facing the problem, then again open PowerShell command. After the restart, still you are facing the problem, then again type in PowerShell in Windows search box, make a right click on Windows PowerShell, then click on run as administrator, then click on yes to allow. Paste the command over here. The commands are provided in the video description, and then hit the enter key on the keyboard. And once this is done, go ahead and use Store. Now still you are facing the problem, then go ahead and uninstall and reinstall store. To uninstall store, you have to go ahead and copy this command. So you have to go ahead and open PowerShell once again. So just type in PowerShell again in Windows search, and then make a right click on Windows PowerShell, run as administrator, then click on yes to allow, and copy this command. So let me open store first. So right now here you can see the store is open. So copy this command and then enter the command over here, then hit the enter key. Now you will see the store will go away once I hit the enter key. So here you can see the store is gone. Now if I try to open store, it will not open. So if I click on it, see, it's not opening. So store is uninstalled right now. Now after you uninstall store, go ahead and restart your computer. So go to the start menu, then click on the power icon, then click on restart. And after the restart, open PowerShell once again. And then make a right click on Windows PowerShell, then click on run as administrator, then click on yes. And then reinstall store using this command. So copy this command and then hit the enter key, paste it over here, and then hit the enter key on the keyboard. Now this will reinstall store. Now you can go ahead and type in store in Windows search and then open Microsoft Store. So it's opening right now. Now still you are facing the problem, then go ahead and run this command. So again you have to open PowerShell. So just type in PowerShell, make a right click, run as administrator, then click on yes to allow, and run this SFC command. So just copy it, paste it over here, hit the enter key on the keyboard, and let the scan complete. So once this is 100%, restart your computer and then try to use store. Now still you are facing the problem, then again run the second command, type in PowerShell and then make a right click, run as administrator, then click on yes, run the second command, that is DISM command, and then hit the enter key on the keyboard. And once this scan is 100%, restart your computer and then try to use store. So let it be 100%, then restart your computer and then try to use store. Now still you are facing the problem, then run this command, that is inetcpl.cpl. This command is also provided in video description. Open run box, so make a right click on the start menu, then click on run and then type in inetcpl.cpl, then click on OK, and then go to the advanced tab and scroll down, and here you have to go ahead and check the box which says use TLS 1.2. So if this is unchecked, TLS 1.2 is unchecked, go ahead and check it, make sure that this is checked, and then click on apply, OK, and then try to use store. Now if nothing works, then you have to update the Windows 10 using media creation tool. So if nothing is fixing the problem, then you can update your Windows 10 using media creation tool. So just go ahead and open any browser and then type in media creation tool in Google search, and then go to Microsoft website, and then click on download tool now. Now once you click on download tool now, our exe file will download. You have to go ahead and run this exe file. Now this will download the tool, and here you can see the tool is open now, and this will, now here you will see option to go ahead and update your Windows 10. Now agree to the terms and conditions, so click on accept. Now this process will take time because it will go ahead and download the complete Windows 10 file along with the latest update. So it will take some time, so do not worry about that. Now here you can see the option which says upgrade this PC now. So select this and then click on next. Now it will start downloading Windows 10 along with the latest update. Once the download is complete, it will go ahead and install Windows 10 along with the latest update. And you will not lose any data because before installation, you will see this screen which says ready to install. And by default, the option which says keep personal files and app will be checked over here. So once this is checked, then click on install. By default, it will be checked. Now once you click on install, it will go ahead and install Windows 10 along with the latest update. And in that case, you will not lose any data on the computer. And once that is done, log into your computer and then you can go ahead and use Store. So one of the steps should help you to go ahead and fix this Microsoft Store error. So that will be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.